I'm going to show you an absolute secret weapon when it comes to getting more Google reviews using a QR code. It is an absolute secret weapon. I wish more businesses knew about this, and it's absolutely super easy and straightforward to do. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use that QR code that I showed you in the last video, a link to it below, of how to get your QR code from Google and download it so you can use it. Now in this video, whether you're a retailer, you're a service business, or you're a restaurant, I'm going to show you the secret tip for boosting tons of 5-star reviews from your customers. It's amazing what this can do for you. I'm going to show you how to create it in less than 5 minutes, how to print it, and then how to start using it and how to train your staff so that you can boost your Google reviews. And guess what happens when you boost your Google reviews? You show up at Google, at the top of Google. You show up in the AI searches now because they're looking for the businesses with the most reviews, which means that you stand out and you get more customers coming to your business over others. And guess what? Stick around, because I'm also going to tell you how to use this to not only get more reviews, but get your customers to buy from you more often too. It's amazing. So you've got your Google review. First thing I want you to do, I want you to head over to Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, Canva makes designing things super straightforward and easy. We use it all the time for our clients at Mighty Sites and at New Media Retailer, but there's no reason you can't just use it for yourself. It's super affordable and straightforward to do. What you're going to do is you're first going to go to this platform. You're going to go over here and click on Create. Now you're going to choose either, if you're a restaurant, you're going to choose business card, and you just type in business card right here. You can choose portrait or landscape. If you're a retailer or a service business, I suggest that you use postcard, although some of you might use business card, others might use the other one, but type in here postcard. All right, and then that's one word, Keegan. Type in postcard, and then you can choose from the size postcard that you want. I just did jumbo landscape. You can choose whichever that you want. Now, once you do that, you click on it and you click create. I'm going to show you what I created here. I did it in just 2 minutes. You can do this much longer, design it as much as you like, but the point is going to be clear. If you are a service business or a retailer, here's the postcard I designed. That's not actually me. I'd suggest making it more authentic. But what you do is you create a postcard that looks something like this. And all you have to do is go over here under design, and then you search for plumber or whatever type of business that you have. I'll move my mouse, and you're going to get all these pre-made designs, and then you just customize them. So you don't have to be a graphic designer, web guru, anything like that. You just customize them. That's all I did here. You can see that I put thank you from Keegan's Plumbing. And then I put in here 20% off your next service. I'm going to leave this after I go and perform a plumbing service at my customer. Doesn't matter what type of service you have, make this postcard, offer 20% off your next service, turn them into a repeat customer. Now, it doesn't have to be 20% off, it can be $10 off. It can be a free add-on with the next service. Whatever that is, give them an incentive to hire you again, and hang on to this. Here's what you do. Pardon me. Here's what you do on page 2. Put your contact information, put a nice picture that represents you or your logo, and then put a little area to leave a note. This takes 2 seconds. You can even do it right. I'm finishing up the job. I go to Keegan, from Keegan. So grateful. Thanks for the chance to offer the plumbing service and fix your hot water heater, whatever it was, right? Look forward to seeing you again. Nice personal handwritten note. That's going to be meaningful and cultivate your connection with the customer. And then what I'm going to do, I just gave them a discount. I just offered them gratitude. I just completed a job successfully for them. Then I'm going to put right here, I'd be so grateful for a review. And what I'm going to do is go right over here to the upload button. I'm going to upload that QR code that I downloaded from my Google business profile before, because that's exactly where I want to send them. It's going to upload right here. I'm going to move that right over here, resize it. Just be careful, use the arrow from the corner. Don't use this because that could skew it. Always check it after you set it up. But I'm going to leave the QR code right here. All right. Now, most people know what to do with that, but you always want to make sure that they know. So I'm just going to add a little text here. It can be simple like this. I'm going to say scan to leave review. All right. You could even put on Google, right? If you want to create clarity. You get the point. And then I'm going to make that a little bit smaller, move it from the corner. And then I'm just going to take this, move it right over here and put it right underneath. And now check that out. Now I've got a postcard. Now, of course, I can play around with the design, switch your logo, whatever. It's super easy to do that. The point, the business point, I hope is becoming clear. Now, let me show you the one for the restaurant. And then I'm going to tell you how to print these. And it's super easy and straightforward and affordable to print these as a small business owner. So what I'm going to do is go over here and show you the business card. Now, leave a postcard on the table for a diner or putting a postcard in their takeout bag, that's probably a little much. But if you want to bring it over with the check or leave it with, or put it in the bag for the DoorDash delivery or whatever, that makes sense too. And so here's just a little business card. I did the same thing. I used a template. I put this in. Thank you for your business. Bring this in for 15% off your next dining experience. Then I put, we'd love a 5-star review. Now you just say we'd love a 5-star review. None of this is contingent. You're not paying for a review. You're not breaking any terms of service. You're saying we'd love a 5-star review. Of course you would. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back over here to my uploads. I'm going to grab that QR code and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pop it in right here. Make it a little bit bigger. Remember, the business card's going to print a little smaller. So I might play around, move that up, make sure this has room. And then I might put it right here and I might put the scan text right here, right? So I can pick from there, or I can pick one of these cool little things and then move it over there and just say scan. And now you've got this, right? If you're not going to put that, just center it. But now you've got that, okay? If you're a retailer, I'd probably use either one. Just depends on what you retail. You retail high-end jewelry, you're probably going to want to use the business card. If you're hardware retailer bulk goods, you're going to drop the postcard. Either way, you're offering 3 things. You're offering gratitude, you're offering a discount on the next experience, and you're asking for a review. All right. Now you take those, and to easily print those so that you can start using them. Oh, wait, before I get to that, train your staff. If it's you going out, you're going to know to do this. If it's your staff, right? So if it's in the context of the restaurant business, have your staff go over. And when your staff goes over, have your staff say, hey, just so you know, here's the check. Thank you so much. Take your time with it. I put a little business card in there that has a 15% off your next experience. Bring that into the restaurant. Just give that to them. And by the way, we'd also love a review about your experience today. We hope you had a 5-star experience, but we'd love if you shared a review. There's a little QR code to scan, right? So that'll go a long way. They've already got that personal connection. Now to print these, all you do is click on this button right up here that says print with Canva. Look at that. Now you have designated the front, which is this, the back, which is this. It knows the size already, but you can adjust the size if you want to. You can print it as a set. You can choose the type of paper. You can choose the type of finish. You can choose the corners, round or square. And look at this, 100 postcards for $30, right? Or you can do 10 postcards, $16. Price, obviously savings as you do more. But now all you just do is continue. You're going to pay with your credit card, put in your address you want them shipped to, and that's it. Now you've got a winning way where you just got your QR code and you've got an easy and streamlined strategy to go out and put that QR code to use for you in the real world with real customers to send them back and give you reviews. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. I'm going to link to my new book down below too for how to get your first 100 customers. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, stay tuned because we're going to have some more great content for you on how to grow your business. Catch you in the next video.